Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up and pair your AMAZFIT Active Max with the Zepp app. So here we have the watch. Now here, after we click on it, we have a QR code that we need to scan with the Zepp app. So let's go to Play Store and go to search. Now go to search apps and games. Of course, it's also available on iOS. So here just type in Zepp, and this is the app that we want to download. So it's the 10 million plus downloads and 4.4 star with 1 million reviews. Click install, and now this app should install in less than 15 seconds. So I'll see you guys once it's downloaded. Now after we install the app, we click on open, and here, as you guys can see, we'll wait for it to load. We need to create an account or log in. So I'll log in, I'll enter my email address and then the password. So I'll see you guys once I enter it. So after we log in, we need to choose a device here. So of course I'll choose the watch. Here, click got it, and allow the app to take pictures and record the videos. So now I gotta grab this phone right here, place it in the QR code, and now allow the app to access this device right here. So now we get this, we allow access to contacts and call logs, click pair, and as you guys can see, AMAZFIT Active Max will be paired with Zepp app. So we need to tap the tick icon to continue pairing. Now, as you guys can see, those devices are paired successfully. We can choose the font right here, and here we have our watch. As you guys can see, the device initialization is complete. So here we can also enable notification access. So just enable it, click allow, and the Bluetooth calls. Now enable calling all contacts. Of course, we want to enable everything here. So our watch is practically our phone, but just on our wrist. Here we want to use the precise location for the weather, so while using the app. And here we want to select the button position, so button on left or right. So it's based on however we wear our watch. So this is how I would wear it, so the buttons are on the right. Now here we want to see the either grid view or the list view. So grid view looks like an Apple Watch, for an example, so I'll choose it, and our device is now ready. As you guys can see, we got 43%, everything is here. We can change the watch faces. As you guys can see, we can click sync here, but for now other applications are being installed, so we have to wait. As you guys can see, we have everything here like notifications, biocharge, and here we even have the settings for an example. So our watch is finally set up. Of course, the grid view here, and that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.